Alrighty, we're just coming off the trail and probably hiked a couple of miles from our campsite, and we're coming into hot springs, following the little AT markers along the sidewalk here, looking for something to eat. Smoky Mountain Diner. Sure, we're gonna give that a go. We heard some good things about that. I'm sure I ate there if it was here 20 years ago. Alright, our first stop is gonna be at the Dollar General. Why is that, camera girl? What's your master laundry plan?
My master laundry plan, everything that I have is gonna be washed. So I'm gonna get me a cheap shirt, maybe a cheap pair of shorts. Everything else is getting washed.
Okay. She wants to wash all of her clothes, so she's gonna buy some more clothes to wear while she does laundry.
They'll go in the hostel box. You won't even go into a restaurant with me because you know you're so right.
Man,
I was ready to go into a restaurant.
Is she getting on me for being considerate? I don't have any clean clothes to wear, and I smell like I've been wallowing in a pig pen.
Well, there's that.
Well, there's that. I wonder if I need to shave. What do you think?
I think you should let me trim it.
I don't know. I'm looking kind of homeless.
Hey, big man. Open that up for me. You can have a clean girlfriend.
Oh, okay. Alrighty, we're at the Smoky Mountain Diner. And Lisa's having some serious problems.
I can't just stop. I'm so hungry, I can't just stop.
I don't know. I don't know if I want to go for a 12-ounce burger or not. 12 ounces might be even a bigger burger than that. Probably give me a stomach ache, huh? But anyway, we heard a lot of good things about the food here. I don't know, it's hard to decide. So we got the first meal in Hot Springs.
Corn relish.
Corn relish, pinto beans, what's that, turnip greens, beets, fried green tomatoes, cucumbers, something, cornbread, and then I got the special pulled pork. Are you happy?
I'm getting there.
It's a good day to be in town. Alrighty, we're at the Spring Creek Tavern. Gonna get us some stuff and some beer.
Oh, perfect. Thank you.
And we are out of Rocket Girl.
Like I said,
this is a really good one. We have beer, and it's out of Asheville.
I just wanted to say Rocket Girl.
Okay.
What do you got?
Agave wheat. You didn't get to try that one.
That's right. I was greedy.
Sound like a blue.
I was gonna say I'm gonna try that one. That does
This
look
one's a
thicker.
really good middle ground. I think it's not. It looks thicker though than really one of those.
Yeah, that's a manly something or other, which I don't want.
More manly.
Yeah, it's more manly for me. Huh? Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Alrighty, so we're still doing this because it's still doing this. So lucky us. I don't know, that's how big my hand is. I don't know if you can tell. I don't know if is that an appetizer? I don't know. That's what camera girl looks like without a pack on.
I'm gonna jump.
I'll do it. Bluff Mountain Outfitters. You know, that's a good place to resupply. Here in Hot Springs, they had a lot of groceries. You know, just the kind of stuff that we like to put it on packs, you know. So between the Dollar General and the foods they had in here, you know, we got plenty of good resupply. Hey Kooky Moose, I just left Bluff Mountain Outfitters again. Didn't see Wayne there again, although I left him another message to tell him that he had said hey. And I did meet Tom there, and he remembered you. I guess you worked there. I guess you worked and lived everywhere along the trail since you're an 18,000 million miler. But I think we're gonna get us some coffee and food again and then head out of town here. Alrighty, we stayed at the Alpine Court here in Hot Springs. That's where we did our cleaning up. Just loaded up our packs with all our new food. Our packs feel like what?
It feels a little heavier.
It feels a little heavier?
Yeah.
But I think I stayed here at the Alpine Court, I don't know, a long time ago. The first time I came to Hot Springs, I stayed at the Jesuit hostel, which doesn't exist anymore. But we decided to go hostel free this time, you know, kind of to treat ourselves. Was it a treat?
It's a treat, but you don't meet the interesting characters.
That's right. We were the interesting characters here at the Alpine. There's the public library. We spent a lot of time there on the computer, although YouTube was blocked. YouTube is not an acceptable site.
No, it was
at the Hot
blocked
Springs
because
Public
they didn't have
Library.
they didn't have a powerful enough network to allow you to download videos. It wasn't.
That's right.
Yeah, that you couldn't do any videos. Hey, but
Not
they
enough
had
power.
But they had great books on the Appalachian Trail flora and fauna, which was great.
That's right. Flora and fauna, that's what it's all about. Alrighty, one more time. This time with the chili cheese fries. What'd you say?
Enjoyed ya.
Well, there's Hot Springs down there. In between us and the setting sun. I don't know if you'll be able to see it with the glare coming off the sun. There's the French Broad River. And here we are up on an overlook. Just hiked out of there at 7 o'clock. See, we can almost see the nachos we left behind. Oh well, we'll have a nice camp somewhere here in the next 15 or 20 minutes. And say goodbye to town and get ready to say hello to the next town sometime in the future.
Great folks at the Spring Creek Tavern.
Yeah, best place to eat in town, I think.
Yep.
Oh well, really nice stay. Time to get back into the what?
To hiking.
Into the hiking.
So we can camp. Let's go.
Alrighty, we had a good night in the tent last night. Probably got my best night's sleep in the last 3 nights. Left Hot Springs at 7 o'clock, had us a hamburger, hit the road, made it to the top of the hill. Outside of town, we can still hear the traffic and the town sounds below. We can see it through the trees. Doesn't look like you can through the camera. Hear the French Broad River down there. But man, it got cool last night up here. Set up camp probably about 8:30 last night, right when the sun was setting. But we're gonna break it up today, you know, pack it all up and head on down the line. Can't wait to start sweating. Yay!
Ooh, buck. Watch yourself.
Here, come here and get these tadpoles.
Oh, little tadpoles.
Step, Bobby Ray.
I don't know if I can get the tadpoles.